International Tech Park Bengaluru, commonly known as ITPB, is an iconic tech park located in Bengaluru, India, owned and managed by CapitaLand. It is the first tech park of India, with a lush green campus comprising of 10 buildings with world-class amenities and facilities. The tech park holds offices for over a dozen multinational giant companies. Saint-Gobain solar Gard exterior-grade solar control window films were installed recently to enhance the appearance of discoverer, creator and innovator buildings.
These facade glasses were installed in the late 90s. They have naturally weathered. The facade looked stained and done. We wanted to screen these facade glasses through a non-invasive solution to avoid any hindrance in our operation of the buildings leading to any rental loss. We explored multiple ideas and we found the best suited solution with Saint-Gobain solar Gard external grade films. These films were cost effective, time effective, added performance to our building and enhanced the aesthetics.
This was one of the biggest and the most challenging project for us in India. The goal of this project was to significantly upgrade the appearance of the buildings. Our exterior grade solar control films not only enhanced the appearance of the buildings, but also reduced the impact of the solar energy which was penetrating through the facade glasses.
The problem we had was purely aesthetic in nature. Our buildings were almost 25 years old and the glass was looking disfigured and jaded. So we had a challenge of replacing the look of the glass without disturbing the tenants inside. The buildings were fully leased. So we stumbled upon this interesting video of Saint-Gobain of a hospital restoration that they had done in the US, on the western coast of the US. And that is how we came to know about Saint-Gobain's solar Gard external grade films. We adopted this solution and the entire work was done in a professional and non-intrusive manner. None of the tenants were disturbed. The entire work happened seamlessly over a period of 6 months and the buildings are now looking excellent. The complete look of the buildings has changed. We were also able to achieve a good amount of energy savings as well.